Hi friends, this is Brandon, and I want to welcome you to this video here on Bran'sTech. I hope you are doing well. So, I wanted to get back into doing more tech videos, and I thought what better way than to start off with an unboxing. One of the things that started me off on this channel to begin with, back in 2016. So let's go ahead and get into it, shall we? So, right here's a nice little box. It came from Asurion, my insurance company for my phone. And so, I go ahead and get this here. A little bit of tape, but no worries here. Sorry about the computer dinging in the background. Alright, so we have this here, and I should add, it's on the other side, that we do have the little battery warning here. It says UN 3481. So, let me open this up a little bit more. And of course, this next thing has my address all over it, so... No, it does not. It has their address all over it, but you had the little postage thing. So, for a little bit of background, so... I had the Samsung Galaxy Fold 4. It's an amazing phone. I've been using it for a little bit of over a year, since May 2023, I believe. But, my device, probably my fault, I don't know. Had a little bit of issues with the screen. I called up the insurance company, and they were just like, oh, we'll just send you a new phone. So, sure enough, they did that in less than 24 hours, so we have that. So we have a nice little message from Asurion with all the nice legal details and all that, and a thing to return my old phone in. And we have this. So it says, I'm here. And it says Asurion. Over here, it has the barcodes and everything where it says Galaxy Fold 4. I'm not going to show that in this video, but we do have the Asurion logo. And I shall say they had amazing customer service when I spoke with them yesterday. It has their information about the terms of agreement right here. And it has the little people helping out. So, obviously it's not the retail container, but I love that it has a nice box, so let's open up the box. And so right here, we have where it says, let's get going, activate, ship back, enjoy. And so, I'm not turning on the device in this video, but I'm pulling it out here. So, we do have the phone actually here. I need to get a new case, but they don't make my cases anymore, but nevertheless, this gives me opportunity to review the phone yet again. So I can take my phone out here. And this is the Galaxy Z Fold 4. So you can see right here, we have the back of the phone. And it says, refurbished by Asurion. So, it is a refurbished device. Interesting, it doesn't have the original backing anymore. But let's see, you have the screen here. It says Samsung here. And you can see a actually good screen. Oh, now you can see all the junk I have behind me. But, yeah, so the screen looks all nice. It closes right back up. So we have this all over here. I'll take the tape off later. And of course you have all the nice button placements here with the power button and the volume buttons alongside the SIM slot right there. And yeah, I mean, for the most part, like I said, aside from reading that nice thing there, everything else looks about the same. Unless this is still the glass. I will, just because the back has been changed, I will test out, make sure that the wireless charging still works. But other than that, it looks just like my other one. And I forgot how slim how slim this phone is. Yeah, my phone for comparison. So we have that. And I did want to share too, in this box, they did say that because I got the device with them, they have sent me a power brick, which the phone does not come with a power brick normally, but I do get a nice power brick from them right here, made in Vietnam, and a USB Type-C to Type-C cable right here, also made in Vietnam. Oh, and they actually have dates on them, so both of these are from May 1st of 2024, which ironically is my YouTube channel's. That was my 8th anniversary here on YouTube, so that's kind of special that has that. And of course, this is currently August 15th, 2024. And last but certainly not least, I want to share last but not least, I did want to share as well. So I did get a little SIM card, brand new SIM card here in the box. I'm surprised they got a new one, but I guess that's so my old one still works. I presume it still works. So it's nice that I have the new SIM card. And I also have the SIM card replacement tool that is included right here, and with nice instructions. And overall, this all seems pretty simple and straightforward. Like I said, this is unfortunately not the first time I've had to deal with a replacement device, just in general. I have that sort of knack with devices, but nevertheless, though, this was probably the most simple process I have ever experienced with a replacement. There was no drama whatsoever. It was just pure, there's something wrong with my phone, and they were just like, we're going to give you a new one in less than 24 hours, and sure enough, here it is right here. I can't wait to use it. I hope that, like I said, I can find a nice case for it, just because my case is coming apart a little bit. But thank you so much for tuning into this video here on Bran'sTech. I greatly appreciate it, and I hope to do more videos here on the channel coming soon throughout 2024. But stay tuned for that. Have a wonderful day, friends. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day. Hope you enjoy your summer. Bye for now, friends.